Hi, I'm Wes, and welcome to StoryRaps on Cadoodle TV. It's that time of year when everyone across the world is exchanging gifts and spreading holiday cheer, even in the land of StoryRaps. But over there, they don't go to stores or break the piggy bank. They find other ways to give thanks. This is it. I have an idea for a gift. Can't tell you what it is, but you're gonna flip. It's a present you can make with a pen or a pad. You can give it to your sister, brother, friend, or dad. Give it to your mother or your uncle or your grandma, your grandpappy, auntie, or your teacher or your nana. It's silly and dancy and happy and rappy. It's snappy, foot tappy, flip flappy, clip clappy. This is a gift you will never forget. It's the best gift anyone ever could get. I'll make it in my house when I wake from napping. My gift a gab. This is it. Gift wrapping. Gift wrapping. Smooth as the words fall upon your ears, I'll be wrapping all my gifts in holiday cheer. This year, this rap is what I'm giving to you. And when I'm done rapping, then you can rap too. But first I wanna say thanks for being my friend. I hope that our kinship will never end. That's a perfect example of a gift wrap. But first things first, put on your thinking cap. To make a gift wrap, you just say something kind. Then another nice thing that kinda sorta rhymes. The gift of your time plus the gift of your mind adds up to a gift that is one of a kind. I don't wanna get sappy, but it makes me so happy to present you with this present in the present. Gift wrapping. Gift wrapping. It feels so good to give a gift, even better than the feeling of receiving it. A gift can be a talent you can share if you're brave. The gift of happiness is homemade. The PIGs bake PIAs. The cool cats make each other tie-dye days. B for bear can bring big hugs. Goldie snapshots of the ones she loves. Winking catches card and he gives it to Nod. Blinking makes nets for the goat squad. This is something that you may not know, but Papa Bear, he loves to sew. Doug's really good at knock-knock jokes, and the big bad wolf fixes things that are broken. Tori teaches yoga. Gift wrapping. Yo, check it, it's gift wrapping day. Wrap your gift and give it away. Say what's good with your family and friends. Feel the love as another year ends. The gift of your time plus the gift of your mind adds up to a gift that is one of a kind. This is a gift. Gift wrapping. Gift wrapping. This is our gift from the StoryRaps family to you. We'll see you on the flip side, guys. Peace.